Okay.
Today's challenge for the connectors is the Domino Effect track.
You ready for the super stunt, guys?
Yeah, go, Tom!
Yeah, the Mega Domino Effect track.
Let's go!
It's time to connect!
Let's get the parts for the track! Come on! Grab this! Take this!
Don't forget anything. No.
And this one! Okay!
Let's do it! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
My car's going! Yes!
Yeah! Baloo! Yeah!
Do it!
Cool!
Yeah!
Basket! Yeah! We did it! The cannon! Awesome! Yeah! Basket!
Go, Tom, go!
Yeah!
Great!
Baloo!
All right, guys, we got it! Yes!
The loop! All right, it's going! Cool! Wow, loop!
Now the crash!
Oh,
Oh, so good!
Don't miss the next episode where the connectors will create another awesome track. Join the team at HotWheels.com. Sets, track, cars, and apparel each sold separately. Batteries not included. Adults 7.